In this video, I'm going to show you how you can disable touch screen on your laptop. So if it's turned on and you just want it turned off, this video will help. So what you need to do is go to your search bar down here or open up the start window, and you need to type in here device, and what will pop up will be most likely device manager. You need to go ahead and click on this. Now don't freak out if you're not used to managing stuff like this on your computer. It is very easy. You want to scroll down and you're looking for human interface devices. This is the only one that you should be clicking on, human interface devices. Once you click on this downwards arrow, it's going to load up a bunch of these different HIDs. Now what you need to do is you need to look for one that represents your touch screen. So right here I've got HID compliant touch screen, and that's going to be my touch screen, and we can turn it off using this. Now you may not have HID compliant touch screen, it might be touch communications, but it's going to represent something along the lines of a touch screen. Make sure it's not touchpad though. But anyway, select touch screen, then go to action, and then just click on disable device. Now you can click yes to any pop-up, and now your touch screen should stop working. So I'm actually clicking right now on my screen and it isn't working. So we know it is done. If we want to turn it on at any point though, we just go back to this window. We can then right click it and enable it again. So that's how you do it. I hope that quick video did help you out.